Hello honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, this is what we have here. I finished everything and I have everything lined up here to show you guys what I am going to be letting go. So if you purchase this bundle, you are going to get this box and this box that has all Halloween decorations, a mix of everything in here. Okay, you're gonna get a box of pumpkins. I decided to get rid of these. Remember, if you guys watched my video on pumpkins, I wasn't sure about this. I got rid of it. You're gonna get a box full of Halloween mugs, and I found I showed you guys this cute mug. Excuse me, this cute mug, and I found the top to it, which is this one right here. So that goes on top of the mug, which is so cute. I wanted to show you guys how cute that was. Then you're going to get 3 bags of signs, small signs, and then 2 regular size signs. I also decided to get rid of this sign. If you guys watch my sign decluttering video, I wasn't sure about that, so I got rid of this one. Okay, and then I made these 2 bags full of Halloween stuff. I got the idea from Michael's. They have a like grab bag that when I see them, sometimes I think it's a good idea. I just like throw things in there and it's just like a grab little baggie of whatever they have. So I did the same thing here. I did 2 clear bags. Excuse me. You have everything in here, a little bit of everything in here. I mean, tons of things in here, and there's 2 of them. So you're probably gonna get dupes of some things, because I usually have dupes of everything. So you might find dupes in here, but it's really like a whole bunch of stuff in here. You have like a little mini Christmas trees, some little Halloween jars. Let me see if I can go and see really quickly and show you. Some signs, some let's see here, some mugs, some cups, plastic. Okay, plastic. You get some really fun banners, some Halloween plates in here. Let's see, let me look if I can. Some more Halloween little coffin. I mean, literally a mishmash of everything in these 2 little bags. You're gonna get those 2 little pumpkins, and I made also a little stash of crafting, like paper crafting goodies. These are really fun. I just put a nice little bundle in here for you guys so you can craft with all these Halloween goodies in here. All right, so whoever is interested in this bundle, I'm going to sell it for $150. Okay, everything. I'm not doing anything individual. The whole thing you're gonna get for $150. What I am thinking of doing is, again, if you guys live in near my area or near the Hudson County area, send me an email. My email is going to be at the bottom of this video. If you are interested, then send me an email, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, I would probably meet you somewhere halfway, and then I can, you know, exchange this with exchange it with you guys. Okay, I don't have any like app, what is called those, what is the app called when you Cash App, and what's the other one, Venmo, whatever it's called. I don't have any of that stuff. Okay, so it's basically gonna be cash. I don't have none of those fancy apps. So if you guys are interested, let me know. Again, email will be at the bottom of the video. And then we'll get in contact, and then we'll figure out how we can meet up. Okay, my loves. Hopefully, if you guys want to know, by the way, okay, so if you want to know what's in this box, you have to go to my mug decluttering video, and I show you guys exactly what I'm going to be decluttering. In that video, it gives you like an idea of what mugs you're gonna get. Same thing with the pumpkins. I already did a video showing you guys the pumpkins that I'm not gonna keep, and that will give you an idea of what's in here, okay? The same thing with the signs. I showed you guys the signs individually, and you have an idea of what signs you're going to get, okay? The decorations, I don't know if I did a video on this. I can't really think right now. I think I did, but anyway, you're gonna get a whole bunch of stuff in here that is also for decoration purposes, okay, my loves? So interested, let me know. Send me an email, let me know, send me a message, and we'll get together, okay? First come, first serve. So we'll see what happens, okay? Now after we're done with this, we're going to start decluttering the Christmas stuff. So that's going to be really fun and very challenging, but we'll do that later on, once we get this settled, okay, my loves? So I will talk to you guys soon. Thumbs up, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Bye.